ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Hello, 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 and welcome back to another live stream. How's it going, everyone? Happy Thursday. Hope you're all doing well. Bit tired. I don't know why. Just a little. Hey, Guts, welcome in. How's it going today? Hope you're doing well. It's almost Friday, y'all. So close and yet so far. But really, I don't know why people are like waiting for Friday. I personally wait for Saturday. Like, why do you want to still wait for another week, like a day of work? No. I wait for the weekend. That's, yeah, then we can celebrate that. Why are we celebrating like, yay, we still have to work because it's Friday? Yes, after the end of your workday, it's better, but the rest of your day is not much left of it. Most of your day is over. Saturday, we got like, why? It's thank God it's Saturday. It's TGIS, not TGIF. TGIS. That's what we'll call it. Friday we can slack freely? Not at work. After work, yeah, you do whatever you want, but not during work. I mean, you can. Technically speaking, you can, but you shouldn't. Yes. Hey, Leo, welcome in. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. Welcome. But yeah, let's is there any best/worst cases for when you use timer by event node? Best case, it triggers once a millennia. Worst case, it triggers, you said it to be triggering faster than your frame rate. Yep. Those people that go out, you can go out after work because it's Friday. Better than Saturday. Sunday can get drunk at night. No, Saturday is the best day. Saturday is the best day. Saturday is the day you can both sleep in and stay up late. It's the only day of the week, assuming you have a Monday through Friday schedule, where you can do both. If I had it triggering like 0.01 seconds is bad on loop. No, that's fine. 0.01 0.01 seconds means it's triggering 100 times a second. Right? There's also a checkbox in newer versions that says only trigger once per frame maximum. And that helps with certain things, depending on what you're doing. Sometimes you might want to, sometimes you might not. As always an option. But that's only 100 frames a second. Right? Depending on how you optimize. Like, if you are not going to cap your frame rate, 100's fine. I use 0.01 in some places as well. It depends what you're doing, really. The amount of times you're doing it isn't the problem. It's, what are you doing with it, right? It's the same thing. Like, using on tick inherently by itself is not a problem. But doing certain things on tick is. Same thing with the timer. Timers inherently are not a problem. You can use timers, but what are you doing with timer? So we need to update stuff like shield or health stats that are being passed to you guys. So yeah, so just to animate it, yeah, you can do that. I don't think you need to go 0.01. Go like if you like even do like 0.025, tell me if you see a difference. Right? At a certain point, like once it's like 60 FPS, you know, around there, like for things like that, you can just cap it at 60 FPS equivalent by putting the value at whatever it would be. And then that'll be fine, right? No one's going to be like, oh no, my HUD, the bar that goes up and down is 60 while everything else is at 120, right? It's not going to be one of those. No one's going to care. Now, if it was like a right, then if it's noticeably like stuttery, it's a different story. But yeah, you did say Sunday twice. It's really to update stuff like imagine not having it update and the picosecond updates SMH. I know, right? It's just what are people thinking? Just really, I mean, you should update like 10 times a second. I mean, really, it needs to make sure it needs to update, check that it's updated, and just in case, update again to make sure that, and then confirm that both updates are equal. And if they're not, do it one more time. In fact, just do it one more time anyways, just to make sure, all in the same frame. So that way we really confirm. We have a, you know. You hate when the pixels don't switch the visible light spectrum at the moment I wanted it to? SMH, yeah. Am I going to play PoE 2? Of course. I mean, beta, probably not. When it comes out, yeah. Like, I'm not gonna play it on stream unless people want me to on a Sunday. But like, I had no plans on playing it on a Sunday. But for my own time, like, I'll play it. I don't know how next week. No, I'm pretty sure next week the beta's out. Yeah, it's going early access December 6th. That's not out. That's called early access. That's beta. Yeah, the original plan was to launch a beta, but the wording now is used early access. Same thing. It's a beta. Right. Tomato, tomato. You can call a table a chair, but that doesn't make the table a chair, right? It's still a table. Is there a way to pass in like a specific value into the timer by event? So far, I'm unable to get it to pass in a simple float. It only works on a clean custom event without parameters. So what do you mean? Is there a way to pass in a specific value into the timer? You just plug in whatever event you want. I mean, I'm pretty sure. Oh no, right. It doesn't take. Yo, you're right. Yeah. So what you need to do is do a custom event that stores the variables, and then on loop, you just use those variables that are grabbed from the custom event that triggers this. So basically, if I had this, then I set this variable, and then I use the variable here at that point. Guess what you want. Yeah, you're right. You're right. I forgot about that little detail. It's been a while since I did that. So, last night, I figured out the solution. So, we have the mouse control, right? And mouse gets me this. And if I'm here, and I go down, it doesn't pop up. But if I press this button, then it pops up. If I press this button, it goes back here. And again, it doesn't pop up, but I can still use my mouse. It pops up. If I'm here, it's still fine. If I am on deck mode and then I just move my mouse, it stops. It all works. And there's a little node, basically, node combo that's needed for that. Which is a new, which is this. You get the common input. So I was on the right track. I just didn't notice this one. Is input method active? And I just check if it's a keyboard and mouse. When it's not a keyboard and mouse, that's when the mouse has gone away. It goes away. So basically on mouse enter, when my mouse enter, because I'm using keyboard and mouse at the time, then go ahead and open it. Otherwise, make sure the deck builder is active, basically. I don't think I even need this ore here. Oh no, oh. Can I just bypass this? Do I need that? I don't think I need that. Yeah. You're good. So full mouse, full controller support, but and so much. It really is so much nicer now. So it's worth converting, but we still don't have the sorting thing from above. So let's fix up that. That is our last little bit we gotta do. You know, there's an easy way to do it, but some part of you is being stubborn. Oh, that's completely fine. It's okay to be stubborn, but then you just have to, you know, deal with the consequences of being stubborn, right? So, like, if you don't want to install a certain program, well, it's like, well, now you have to find alternatives to that program if you want to use set functionality of that program. Okay, so it's basically that. Okay. We need to go to. Sure. Don't need you. I need the WStack search bar, and I'll just duplicate it, and you can just see the search bar. And that's gonna go to the deck builder. Okay, is there anything here I want to change? Oh, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna change it so... Okay. I can make it so the controller can actually select these. And actually, we want to make it so we can select these because I want to have the controller... go into the search as well because I wanted to like. Oh, there's gonna be a whole thing. Going to customize the search. Also work with controller. Not for like typing in words, but like for like selecting categories or something. So, okay. Okay. Don't I have a? Oh, I need to change the parent class settings. Common user widget, please. Where's the button? Where's my button? CB card, it's called. There it is. Okay, so I can't put it inside because yep. I need to. What are we doing here? Let's copy the outline stuff. Actually, can we do the outline stuff? Is that a thing? Is outline a thing here? No. Okay, so we need to change how this looks. Okay, let's change up the way it looks then. We're not gonna do a border then. I want then an image. And I guess I need to have this wrapped with overlay or overlay. Overlay. Auto. Now, why is it? Wait, is here? Or maybe I no, instead of overlay, I'll change to a size box. I think that'd be better. Wrap with a size box. But size box doesn't take multiple. Okay. Wrap with an overlay. It is. So basically, we need to take. We need to get some images. There's a border. If I had this extent, let's see. I just use a border with this thing. Is it margin that I need? No. Brush color, desired size scale. No. how do we get the border show up? Borders on top. This? No. Okay, if I copy this up here, that, what? Oh, right. Oh, I see. It's because it's drawn as a rounded box. So how does it? I want to draw it as a border. But that doesn't work. Image size. It's not padding. It's not that. It's not this padding. Oh. Oh. What? What? UE5 UMG border. How do I use the border widget? Time to hit up. Point. Oh, do I need to put in an image here? Yeah. So, how do you control the thickness of the border? I'm confused. Oh. Wait, okay. Why? Oh, it's because now, okay. It goes off the picture. So if I did a rounded, rounded square as an image, and it'll do a border around the rounded square. Okay, I see. I see. I see. If I did one, yes. You can't push it further, though. Interesting. In that case, let's. I'm not gonna use a border. Let's make it easier. I'm gonna put. Sorry, I am gonna use a border, but I will put it behind. I'll put it behind. I'll basically do the same thing I did here. Actually, game icons. GameIcons.net. Maybe there's a good thing for Probably nothing much for sort. Yeah, I get sport. I need time. I mean, that's pretty cool. Then I need alphabet. Why don't you go to rune words also? Sort. Text. Text goes to tentacle. Why does text go to tentacle? Paper. Sure, maybe something here. I'm just getting some temporary icons. Anything here make more sense than something else? Yeah, I guess let's go with this. And then we have rarity. Like a gem or something for rarity. Yeah, so we're going with these. Grab all those, put them into my folder. Do I search icons? Yeah, this is search time. This is search rarity and search alphabet. Okay. Let's make a new folder called search icons. Oh, hold on. What size are these? I think they're automatically 1K. Checking. 512. Even better. Okay, so what I see is if I put it inside of I meant to put you inside of you. What? That I appreciate you resizing yourself to that, but it's not quite what I had in mind. And if I do that for the border now, what happens? Nothing. Images in front, but if I did this, use the margin to click 0.1. No, that doesn't work. I was like, well, is it gonna work? No, not at all. Not even in a little bit. Oh, because the border is technically square. Okay. In that case, can I get a rounded square?
Ads are
Nope.
here. Pausing for ads.
That's time. Advertisement minutes. Didn't see that one coming. There, I was trying to see if there's just a rounded box material I could just use. But it doesn't seem like there is. Like this is a node, but no. Oh, can I do rounded box? I can do rounded box. On the image. Oh, never mind. Got it. Figured it out. Figured it out, and we're gonna tint this. Or make it green, or purple, or blue. Whee! Figure what out? You only see ads? I mean, you don't. You lying bastard. Because you're on YouTube as well. You wouldn't have heard me say, figure what out, if you only saw ads. Do you see the problem with your statement? How did you know I said figure something out if you never heard me because there were ads? You can't get me with that. You gotta try harder than to get me than that. Female intuition, that's how you know. Cap. You forgot to show his face after that message. Show this lovely man's face, please. After that message. Alright, here's what we can do. I do want this. But I also want to probably pad it. Oh, no, not pad that. Add this. Ooh. It's not what I meant when I said pad, but I guess if I do 30 by 30, then we're fine. Oh, maybe not that much. Let's do like 34. 34 means 3. And hue. Set hue. Border, this is a rounded box. Make that visible. What a beautiful color, by the way. Don't you think so? I think so. Okay. I'm breaking all sorts of things. Just don't mind me. Just don't question me breaking things, okay? We'll go with that. Remove you. What is this? Size box. Goodbye. Wait. Okay. Then I need padding, I think. Yeah, 10. Okay, you know, it's okay. It's okay. You didn't say you were. I know you didn't say you were female, but I'm calling cap on the fact that you're using female intuition. Whether or not you were female didn't matter. That's not why. It's because you heard me. That's why I called cap. I'm just gonna delete these. I'm just gonna duplicate this. Duplicate twice. This is alphabetical sort group, and this is rarity. Okay. So for this one, alphabetical. We're doing that again. This the same size? Yes. And here we want you, and it's gonna go poof. You try at least. Yeah. Then there might be a bug or crash whenever you try to delete a variable in Blueprint that's set to private. No. I've not experienced this. I've set variables to private, and 9 times out of 10, I've unset them to private because I'm like, screw it. I'll deal with it later, kind of thing. Oh, in 5.5. Oh. Yeah, I'm not in 5.5 yet. So, yeah, please bug test it, and then let me know. A month from now, once we're in 5.5.1 or 2, and I can transition over. Yeah, just report all the bugs for me. Thank you. Yep. Okay. So we'll go with this. Now, as soon as it compile, it's going to complain. Because we all like to complain. I get it. Yeah, I get it. Okay. One unclicked. Did I not set one of them to variable? Oh, you're not variable. Okay. Time. Here. alphabetical rarity here. Complain? No, never. How's Fab doing? Well, good thing you've asked. I haven't got on my daily rants in Fab for a while. It's garbage. Come on. There was something that came up. Oh, by the way, speaking of Fab, actually, there is something. It's not really a complaint, but it's just like an FYI for you guys. Anyone that's Black Friday sale is coming up on Fab. If you see something on sale on Black Friday and you're undecided and you're thinking maybe I'll just wait for the Christmas sale, that item that's on sale cannot be on sale again during Christmas holidays. It's not going to be on the holiday sale at the end of the year. But if it's not on sale for Black Friday, then it can be on sale during the Christmas holidays. Epic is literally telling us that we can't put our own thing on sale for both times. So just so you know, if you see something on sale now and you want it, now would be the time for Black Friday would be the time to get it. If you don't see it, then wait for the Christmas, get it then. Because you can't have both for some reason. I don't know why. You're able to replicate the bug. It's whenever a string is set to private and then compiled, then you try to delete the string, then recompile, it crashes. And this is replicated on a brand new empty blueprint. Leo? You were looking for a good light manager for heat to be on? I still need to make the video on that. 5.5 just released. I want to push the 5.5 update, and then I'll make the video. By 5.5 update, I just mean like add 5.5 support. Doesn't matter. The string wasn't used in the blueprint. Do it in a new blueprint. It could be something like your blueprint. It just doesn't like your blueprint specifically being compiled. Whether or not it was a string didn't matter to it. It was just the blueprint was the issue. So try with a fresh blueprint, clean, private, and then if you recreate it, then yes, absolutely, it's a bugged. But at least then you'll know also, like, is it that blueprint related or it's everywhere? Okay. I'm going to expose border sort time, border sort alphabetical, and rarity. Now, I actually want to change the color on all of them. But a second. I just want to make a quick comment. Duplicate special is the most beautiful thing men ever created. Good guts. Do me another favor. Do you know all the intricacies of duplicate special? Okay, I want you to do something for me, okay? I want you to take an object I want you to duplicate it and move it to the side a little bit and then press Shift D to special duplicate. Just do that for me. Take an object, duplicate, and move to the side, and just press Shift D. So fresh blueprint is not replicating. It's not replicating, so you don't know. So it's something with your current blueprint. The fresh blueprint isn't replicating the bug of it. Yeah. So if it doesn't replicate in the new blueprint, that means your current blueprint has some issue with it. So something related to your current blueprint and whatever is going on there. That's what I'm talking about. Now you know. Yep. And knowing is important. You know, knowledge is power. Well, you could have said that a few hours ago. Did you ask, Guts? Did you ask me for something like that specifically a few hours ago? Back to making it work? Do it. Make it work. Look, I know a lot of tips and tricks that are just like small little things, but it's not enough to be like, yeah, here's like tips and tricks, because like whenever I the tips and tricks videos really only work like when you're a beginner, and then you'll watch like 2 of them and like, okay, I got all the tips and tricks, and then you have to do them. Right? All the more advanced stuff, it's like you just learn as you do. So okay. I want to go to the deck builder and add the CWB. Search bar. Bam. Bam. It's similar. They still all special duplicates with the same distance, but yeah, this is way faster. Yup. That works also for like rotations or whatever else. It just repeats your last duplicate basically. Your like whatever settings you had. Also, Guts, how are you doing extrude? What are you doing to extrude? Like if you had a cube, I know if you had this cube, I need to extrude it this face to the right. How would you do it? If you extrude this face to the right, how would you do it? Tell me. Here's your first little test to see how you're working. How are you extruding this face to the right? Control E, wrong. Hey, you don't even know shortcuts. And Guts. You don't even know basic shortcuts. This guy says Control E is extrude. Guts, do me a favor. Select the face. Don't hit Control E. Hold Shift and drag out. Just don't press Control E. Just hold Shift and drag out that face. No Control E. Just Shift drag. That's all you need. You just hold Shift. You don't need Control E. Control E is nice because it also gets you the transform tool. So if you need to like do it along a normal or something, then you use Control E. But if you just need to, if you already have the axis set to the component mode or whatever it is, You could just do shift drag. You guys see the same result? Less button clicks. You're welcome. Okay. So this is all great and all, but that's the things. Cart sorting clicked. I don't think I'm using this. Oh, am I using this? First of all, I can't click on these. Second of all, it's get seed. The deck builder. Why can I not click on them? What's going on? Oh, it's because I dragged it. Well, no, this should be. It's invisible. It's such a visible. Why no work? Why no work? It's on top. Buttons on top. Hover. Use this, used to break things a lot with this? Oh, with like holding shift? How? Okay, so it's detecting hover. So it isn't being detected. It's just not detecting clicks. Why? Why? Uh, Extreme faces without moving them? Bunch of overlapping faces back when you were learning the moving tools? Oh, I see. Well, now you're better, hopefully. Now you're not breaking things, hopefully. Hopefully. Why? There's nothing. Move this to the bottom, it's not going to change it. Yeah, I can type in here. So that's not the problem. Why? If I copied you. Just on top of it. Where is it? Yeah, so right on top of it. Unclicked. Nope. Why does Common UI just throw curveballs at me? Why? Why? Press hold, that's cool. Press hold is a nice option. Input mode override. I don't understand. How did it stop working? Or why is it not working here, rather? Oh yeah, hold on. What if we just add just this to the search bar. Okay, just add the search bar. Oh, I need to. Oh, hold on. Why? Oh, I don't have it set to game UI only because there's no reason to do it here. Let's get this for our test. Nope. So it just doesn't work. Alrighty then. We're using literally the same thing copy pasted. And it doesn't work. Because things make sense. Or rather, they should make sense. But they don't.
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Why, oh, why? I just wanted to detect. To see available events, enable the is visible setting in this for this widget. Oh. Hold on. Is that why? No. What? Why can't I see the events here? To see available events, enable the is variable setting for this. Oh, is variable. Not is visible. Reading helps. Clicked. Doing a brand new one, just in the corner. So on hovered works. Hover. But on click doesn't. Well, this should happen. Common UI needs better Googling. Okay, hold on. You guys said ChatGPT has been helpful, so I'm using Common UI and on hover. Why? Usually due to one of the following reasons: input handling conflicts, focus settings, input modes for widgets. Configuration. From there is focusables turned on. It is. The widget itself is not, though. Is that why? Oh, I need to. No. It wasn't the... It's not the fact that it's focusable. And this is focusable already. It's already focusable. It's coming out. Ensure that you're not overriding the input mode, or HUD or play controller. I'm not. You guys, on-click may only be triggered if the button has focus. Try ensuring that the button is focused before it's clicked. Oh! I know why. I think. So I didn't do the override. Oh, I don't need to do focus. No, I don't need the focus target here. That's not needed. Oh. Nope, that wasn't why. We're trying. Are we detecting left click at all? Just go with that. Wait, now I'm detecting. Oh, because it's on key down. I can go on. Yeah, so on mouse, it'll be on mouse down. And I'm not overriding that, so it shouldn't be that as the problem. I think any reason why. What if I remake it? How about on double click? On double click. And on to click. Just give it something. I'm clicking. I'm clicking. On the list of things that I thought would get me stuck today, the thing that worked fine yesterday and works fine everywhere else is not on the list. It says focusable. Is there something else that needs to be set? That maybe it's not didn't get copied as well? This is selectable. This is not selectable. Does it need to be selectable? No. That's not why. This is the same. Color's different. That's fine. It's focusable. It's exactly the same here. Why? Hey, Nustel, welcome in. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. What? Why? Why is it the way it is? Oh, hold on. Maybe I just thought of why it could be. Maybe? No. Wouldn't make sense. But... Are these focusable? No, they're not focusable either. No. I can select the search, I can type in that. So it's clearly being detected. What the shit, common UI? You know what? I'm gonna restart Unreal. I don't know if I want it to be fixed. Or not. If after this. I don't know which I'd prefer, honestly. Well, doesn't work still. This all works still fine. Okay. What if I just move this here? Oops. Not this. But with a button here. So now that same button is just in the top left. Okay. Is it the place? Is it something going on there? No. Is it's the background image? No. It's eating the input, but it's not doing anything with it. Shit. Okay, hold on. Let me quickly search for this. Nope. course, no one has this issue. Why would they have this issue? What if I recreate it from default? What if I recreate this thing from scratch? No, I did not. But in time where it was. What if I... Common user widget. Test. An overlay. And a button. Just gonna encompass the entire thing. Your variable. Clicked. Hovered. Huh? And on begin play, set input mode UI only. Focus self. Hovered. No. I literally can't click on it. Why? Why does on click not work? I mean, I can do on mouse button down. That's basically what I'm using for the other ones, because I just already had it set up. Right? I've unhovered here, yeah. The rest is on mouse button down. Because I wanted to use control, so I just used this. Oh, I hate when it closes all your tabs because you had one tab open that it didn't like. Okay, let's fix that. Okay. What else can we try? Well, I guess the on mouse button down, right? But then it needs to know which. So, you know what? You know what I think it wants? I think it wants me to set up each one of these as its own thing. Then why? Why would it want? Oh. On mouse button down. Mouse button down. It detects it. It prints mouse button down. What's the trick to this? Is this going to be a stream of I just trying to figure out why on click doesn't work? I'm not. Anyone know why on clicked a common UI button on selection changed. I make it selectable. That's no. Hold on. What if I have a thought. I don't like this thought if it works, because I think it'll be stupid. But no, it doesn't do it. Okay. It was stupid, and in a sense, I'm glad it didn't work. I mean, I can make those three things a modular button, which I guess I should do anyway. But, and then I could do on mouse button down. The whole point of a button is to detect on clicked. What is the shit? Okay. I'll copy all of you. Let's make a new common utility widget. What's it called? Activatable widget. Common user widget. Sort button. This is sort group. This is just border sort. But I need to overwrite each one what it does. Let's just check if it detects it even. Okay, just check if it even detects it. Instead of fill screen, it's going to be desired. And to check that it's working, I'll just do, I'll keep it. So here, sort button. It's over there. So on click isn't gonna work, right? No. But I can do a override on mouse button down. Handle here. And this will work. Right? Yes. That is detected. So what we can do is event dispatcher. Button clicked. Call it. And we can do here is variable. Then I can do button clicked here. And if this one, let's say, is time, hey, look at that. It works. Stupid. That's stupid. The fact that on click doesn't work is stupid. And I don't like it. Okay? I don't. Okay. Let's we can migrate things over to the button, which is good in terms of modularity, but I'm disappointed. Oh yeah, I need to the image sort icon exposed and okay. So then pre-construct sort icon set brush set brush from image make brush from texture get brush get
ads are here. Pausing for ads.
I'm trying to get the image size, which is inside a brush. So it is this. Why is it a float? I'll expose this. We'll do it after the ads. After the ads. Yeah, so I guess with Common UI, either it's a bug or you're supposed to do it with on mouse button down. That's my only guess. That is my only guess to this madness. All our other stuff technically uses on mouse button down, but here, like, it made sense to just use unclicked. So I was like, yeah, let's use unclicked. Nope. No such luck. No such luck. Oh, I never actually announced I'll be gone. I'll be gone for a week. Come Christmas to New Year's. I'll be gone between the Christmas Day. Well, probably, really, I'm gonna be gone on Christmas Eve. Till the 3rd or so. Because I'm flying back to the States to see my family. I took the minimum time to see them as I could, literally. If Christmas and New Year's were closer together, I would have taken less days to go see them. Not because I don't like them, but because I know myself and I get so bored without having my computer and being able to do everything I want to do and all that. I'm not like one to just like have a social interaction. I'm an introvert. I don't like to sit in a room with people and be like, yeah, so I'm fine. How are you? Yeah, cool. I don't care. That's... Yeah. Yeah. I need to make this instance editable. To be instance editable. So here, if I have it selected, I have as inputs. Good. This goes on pre-construct. And I also need to do I think that's the only one that I need to worry about the size for. The other ones are... Yes. Unless I did this. If I did that, then it'll just take whatever size I give it, right? Yeah, then it'll just be whatever size I give it. What's this one from? Search, not sort. Why did I type in search? It should have been sort. So here, if I made this 40, yeah, let's just do that. No icon size. That doesn't need to be a thing. You just set brush here. Okay. Then I need to do all of this. I already copied it. So here, I don't need to check this true false. I could put this on a function. And I'll just set I'll give a new variable, and this is reversed. If it's reversed, all this is being set on it, but I need to set it on the game mode. So I need the game mode reference. So you know what? I'll do this on I do want to put it on a function problem. Okay. Set sort. Okay. So what we want to do is input this. This is going to be our reversed option. And then we want a regular option. Default will be time and time reversed. This, I'll just create a variable on this. Do I need to create a variable on this? I'm not going to. I'm just going to set it. Now, I don't have a game reference, so I need a game mode reference. First, create a 2. Game reference. Get other option. Get reversed option. Okay. So then we do search reverse color. I just copy them here. Oh, here colors. Okay. So I need the border sort time. Border sort time. What the hell's the border sort time? Okay. Border sort time. Oh! That's the border. So it's just border sort. I got confused because I'm no longer doing with it one versus the other. And then I need to do does the other ones need to be deselected? So I need to do a collapse the function, deselect sort. I'll do that on the other ones, and all it's gonna do is just do I need the border. No, I don't want this to be a border. I want this to also be a CWB sort button. Object reference, sort button. And here I can do get border sort. And this is the options for that. Okay. Okay. It's both good and bad, and I'm both glad that I'm doing this and I'm irritated that I'm doing this. I'm both. It's fun. I can be both. Okay. So here, instead of this whole thing, right, we just want this. So it's time sort group. Now you we want to wrap it with a size box. We'll see. I need 3 of them. Fill. Padding on the right. 10. Okay. And then I can go ahead and just remove these guys. And this one needs no padding on the right. Okay. You are searching by alphabet, and you are searching by rarity. Okay. I'm playing about a lot of things right now, but it's fine. Sort button, sort time. Sort alphabetical. Rarity. What I hope this shows people is even if you have a scenario where something doesn't work, there's always workarounds. No, always a strong word, but like 99.99% there's workarounds. You just got to find them. Time, alphabetical, and rarity. And here, when we do time, we need to button sort time, and then we just need to do I'll just call it sort. Sort. Oh, I need to do hold on here. It starts based whether or not it's reversed. So so here then when it does here it needs to set it to true. So the next time it does the other one, and here it needs to set it to false. So this is time, so it's going to be time and time reversed. And then we're going to do sort rarity and time, or rarity and alphabetical. And then we need to deselect sort option. I don't need the sort button because it's just going to be deselect itself because it is itself. Okay. Complain about all of this. I'm just going to delete them so it doesn't complain. And then it's going to complain about also being complaining. Just going to complain about all that. So I'm just going to delete it. What else is complaining about? This. Okay, I need to do set brush color on the border. That needs to be a function. Is it always the sort forward color? No. It could also be the reverse, but that's fine. Function set color or selection. It's technically not correct, but select based on whether it's reversed. If it is not reversed, then we're doing set forward color. Otherwise, we're doing select reverse color. What's the problem? Target might have a collection. Oh. Okay. So we do time and we do set selection color. Whether based on whether it is reverse. Oh, I need to do it based off of. No, I don't want to do it based off of this. I'll put it as an input. Because here we gotta specify. Here it's reversed. It's not. Right. Wrong thing. There we go. The next one. Okay, it's alphabetical, so we can now just get this more times. Alphabetical. Rarity. Okay, looking good. Let's set up these as well. So alphabetical goes alphabetical and alphabetical reversed. This goes rarity and rarity reversed. So instead of sort time, it's here. Rarity comes out here. Sort time, get alphabetical. This we don't need. Okay. Okay, we also need to do these calls. Call card sorting clicked on all of these. So this has now been simplified to that. That's good. Let's check if it works. Set sort color or sorting selection activation. Okay. Yes, but if it is orange before, it maintains orange. Great. So when we do the deselect, we need to make sure that reversed gets set to false. So now if we have yellow, click here, click back, it is always blue. If we click again, it swaps between them. Now, I'd like to but I want to also I want to tint the center for the non-selected and tint the border. So what we're gonna do is get the border, and we're gonna get the icon. It's already exposed. So we're gonna do set brush. Make brush I don't want to do make brush from texture. Oh no, set brush tint, set brush color. There you go. What to do? Unblock both of them? No. Set brush color, tint color. So this one's tint color, that one's just color. Fine. Can I do make linear color? What is this? Make slate color. Ah, okay. So here we'll just set them to be like 0.4. And when we do select them, when we do the sort, we need to do So when we do deselect on these, right, it makes them gray, and then here it sets to the color. So actually, that's probably all we need. Oh, the only thing we need to do though is in both of these scenarios is I need to still change the icon color back to here, no matter which one it is. Yes. Okay. 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 Getting better. Getting better. Next up, we need to make it so it automatically selects the right thing. Because it doesn't. Because we set the correct color, but we don't deselect the other ones. So, oh, actually, do we set the right color? Yes, this is selected. Correct. So I need to do these and do a deselect sort option. Actually, I just make that the default. In the border, I'm going to change the tint to no, it's better that I don't make it the default, because that way I can just change the I just change the color and it'll just propagate that one place. Little bit of cleanup. Gotta keep your graphs clean. Don't have to, but it's nicer that way. A very messy graph is hard to use. You might get used to it, but I don't think you should get used to it. Okay. So now, if we come in here, bam, bam, bam. Doesn't do anything yet, but that's working. Awesome. Okay. We're needing to get the old deck builder real quick for the sorting, because we never ended up copying that. Which is this guy. Yeah, this guy. Copy you. And now an event graph. Paste it in. So the card collection. Generate available cards. And the deck builder. Generate available cards. Yep, looking good. Search bar.
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Oh, Okay. I'll be right back while ads play. 1 moment. Back. I'm back. While we wait for ads. Okay. This should all. Yeah, I should copy this over there. Yeah, this all. Okay. So what we need is on the search bar, we want to call sorting clicked. That's what goes here. Swap these guys out here. Add the deck builder deck. Set search text. Search bar. Get search text. You out. Now the collection. Set search text. That's empty. Easy. And this one goes from the search text. Good, and the only thing we need to do is text updated. Okay. Compile? No errors? Moment of truth. We got our sorting back. Yeah, we got our sorting back. Good. It'll work still. Still works still. Beautiful. Okay. Now we need to make sure that it works with the controller, because I'm pretty sure right now it doesn't. Go to bed, good guts. Have a good night. Get some sleep. Get some rest. You know, don't think about those edge loops as you go to bed. Don't think about how they currently terminate into nowhere, and eventually they'll return to you. They'll crawl under your bed. No. Have a good one. Take care. Okay, so on the deck builder here, we set this. And then we reactivate it. That, I don't need that. I need shoulder pads, shoulder buttons. Oh, there's already shoulders. No, not shoulders. You. What? Oh, right, because I'm doing shoulders. Sometimes when you have sleep paralysis, all you can think are the edge loops around your room's edge. Do it. Think of it. Think of it. And then count them as you go to sleep. Like sheep. Okay, so I changed it to these are sort. Now I think I want to go back to how I had it before, which is so right trigger. I don't know why it says gamepad right trigger. I don't know why it's X-axis. Gamepad left trigger, not axis. And we go right and left shoulder. I don't know if this is the best way to do this. What we're doing? Yep. You get the search bar. I need to do sort. I need to set the sorting type. Hold on. I had this already configured. These. Now I need to go with search bar. Get collection sorting type. And then we go to the search bar. And then we can do sort by. Oh. I don't have. Oh, I don't have those anymore. I don't have those anymore. So I need this. I think I need these. Copy. Come here. Sort by alphabet, sort by rarity. Game reference. Reference. Oh. Remember this one. Sort by time. So here, we don't have the card sort type anymore. Do we need the card sort type? I don't think we do. Oh, hold on. I'm in the wrong place. I'm in the deck builder. I'm in the deck builder. Oh, no. I'm in the right place here for this. I'm not in the right place here. That's search bar. So, yeah, I was just getting the wrong stuff. It's here. Sort of alphabet. Yeah. Oh, that's the old one. It's the old one. Why is it here? There it is. That's what I want. Okay. And now we have this. And then I want to do another sort. Here it'll do it by whether it's reversed or not. So if it's time reversed, I need to do set reversed true false, and then they both go here. I think that's how we do it. Do something like this, and then sort of alphabetical here. Here. Okay. During activation, can just get bigger here. So let's see if that works. That no longer complains as well. He complains. What is it complaining about? Ah, here. Sort by alphabet. Sort by rarity. Sort by time. Right? Okay. And this same thing, but just slightly different order. This goes time on top. Okay, and rarity. I want to clean this up a little bit more. Something like that. And this. Okay. Will it work? First of all, this works. It also remembers the last one I did. So, purple airblade, critical, right? It's rarity, purple, then green, then white. Pick it out, and come back in. Open it up, purple, then green, then white. So, great. So, that maintains. That didn't quite work correctly. So, if I'm here, and I exit out, and I open it up again, I press this button. Okay, so it's not it's not getting properly what I am. And the reason for that is on the search bar here, we're not setting sort type. I think I need to do that. When I get it, I should set it. Is that why? Nope. I mean, I should set it. Anyway, but why? I check its sort time. If it's time, it goes alphabetical. If it's alphabetical, it goes rarity. You know what? Instead of this, close you. So I don't confuse anymore. Old deck builder, close you. In the search bar, that's not where I set it. So I set it on the old one. Set it here. Also, why am I taking game mode reference as inputs? I have game mode reference here. I don't need game mode references as inputs. I literally do a call here. This is pointless. Let's fix that. It's already set. So I'm using it here, literally. I don't know why I'm using it here though. Hey, Obermortar. Welcome in. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. How's it going? How's it going? Oh, here I need it. What up? What up? Hello, PHP official as well. What are you guys up to? How's it going? Hope you're all doing well. I'm setting up the sorting to work with the controller properly. And I think I got it. Let's find out. Okay. That swaps to the next one, and that swaps to the opposite. Oh, you know what? Ooh, it should maintain swapped. If I go to the next one, but I'm swapped already, it should maintain swapped. Ooh, that'd be better. You got the boss shooting you properly. Nice. Nice. Yeah, I think if I have reverse search and I go next, I want to continue reverse searching. Okay, if I want to continue with the reverse versus not reversed, then what I need to do is here. We do the sort by time, etc. Well, it already checked. It already does this. Oh, I need to do a check if it was reversed. I need to see if it was reversed, and if it was, maintain it. So, a new variable, reversed, sort. If it's reversed, it's going to set reverse. But here, I'm going to apply it, look at reverse sort. So if it's supposed to be reversed, then it'll still be reversed. Oh, but if it's, I don't know. Not that. Because here, if it's time or reverse sort, that's what we need to do. So if it's whatever the regular sort is, or we're going reverse sort, then do that, and then when we do set on here for all of these, I need to then reverse it. So here, set reverse sort. Just like that. I think I need to do it also on here. So here I also need to do same thing. So here I need to plug it in manually or check it on manually. There we go. Okay. So at the beginning, it'll set it. So now, if we go ahead and swap it this, and we go next, it maintains, and I swap. Can't swap it. Can't swap it back. I can't swap it back because I'm not setting it back. Why give it an input to set reverse sort? When I do this one, it's supposed to go. It's supposed to swap. So I need to turn off reverse sort, basically. Reset reverse sort. Okay, so we did this. Then we did a reset reverse sort first for all of these. Okay, so if we did something like this. Up the paths here. Something like this. Up and now. So now, maintains yellow, swap to blue, maintains blue, swap, maintains yellow, blue, back I'm here, exit out, exit back in, it maintains. Sweet! It all works. It all works. And I can go between the two, we'll control. To deck builder.
Ads are here. Pausing.
Nice. Nice. Okay. Got done right before the ads. All right. All right. Okay. So that is working well. I can do search with like the top button. That'll open the search and focus it. So we still have plenty of buttons to work with. So that's good. That is good. Tomorrow I'll be doing some PCG stuff for the weekend's video, and then I'll continue here. But I think the next game dev stream will basically be yeah, doing the new sorting system, search system. Search algorithm is all set up. I need to do some tweaks to it, but I want to do like a drop down with like options to like select, you know, by category, by tier, whatever it is. And I'll want to do that on a controller as well. There's gonna be a whole thing. Okay. So this is now. Is there anything else I want to really quickly do? Let me check. Does tab still work? No, tab doesn't work. Tab opens it but doesn't close it. Why does tab no longer work? What happened? Tab is right there. Escape. Wait, select works. I mean, the controller works just entirely, just fine. This doesn't. Escape works. Why does tab not work? What happened there? Oh, it's not detecting key down at all? Oh, is it because... Is it because it needs to be not on these, it needs to be on... override on because it's focused. Is that why? On key down. Oh, okay. So now it's detecting it. Tab is still not detecting, but these I have to click inside them because they're focused. So okay. Well, this works. This works. Is it? Yeah, that it triggers off of here. Does escape work? Yeah, press escape triggers. So just tab doesn't work. Tab does not work anymore. Probably because of common UI. I mean, that doesn't really make sense. What are we rebinding it to, if we rebind it? I really want it to be tab. I don't see why it would not detect it. It detects everything else. Yeah, it detects everything else. But it doesn't detect tab. Literally everything else. Can we make it detect it? Can I do... The user widget, click on root, uncheck keyboard focus. No. There's no options for multiple types of focusable. Oh, this is like 2014, Jesus. I searched UE5. I did here, and I press tab. Tab goes to the mouse. Oh, because it registers as a. It's not that it goes to the mouse. It's just. It's because I use the keyboard, so it. Yeah. Can I do? Hold on. I got my input. Center pause. Actions. Pause. Is there not a... I could have sworn there was one that allows you to be... for it to be used inside of... widgets. But I guess that's... Yeah, that doesn't make sense. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Tab key will always toggle the focus on the on-screen widget. Uh... Is this trigger? No, even this isn't trigger. So we'll need to figure out something else then instead of tab. Also, if I press tab, if I press escape now, I go back here. But if I go into it and I click on a card and then press escape, I'm still fine. If I click up here, press escape, it exits out fully because I haven't added the functionality in there. So at least we can do that part. Let's go to on key down. All that. Search bar, on key. Search bar already has on key down. Wait. Deck Builder has it. So why did it here and press escape? Why is it fully escape? But when I do it here, it doesn't fully escape. If I click in between and then press escape, fully escapes. What? There, okay. So I can click anywhere here, and I'm still in the game because it's focused. This still all works. Oh, you know what we haven't done yet is I haven't added the functionality to actually move the cards yet with the controller. So actually that needs to be done before I go with the search. We need to add the functionality to add and remove cards for the search for the controller. Okay, so that'll be the next thing. Wait, that I did that. Oh, I did that, but with the old system. I need to add it to the new system again. Yep. Or I guess I need to add it to the new system. Used to work, just right out of the box. Okay, well, I'll need to figure out that out, I guess. Why? 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 Why did it used to work and no longer does? Graph. This was triggering before. Oh, because it's not this. It would go yeah, it would go false. Oh, on deck available, it goes here. I don't have it do call move card. Yeah. Could we do it real quick? We fix this real quick. If I did, went to you and copied over, this part. So I want to do this, and if it is keyboard and mouse, then we do this. If it's not keyboard and mouse, then I think that's all we need. So it's keyboard and mouse. I might change it from drag and drop. Just click and, you know, it pops in. Because it doesn't make sense to have a drag and drop. It's just nicer to just click and be done with it. So I'll probably change that, but let's see. Again. Oh. Oh. Actually, it's not trying to do add to. Oh. Yeah, I haven't set all this up yet. Yeah, okay. Okay. That's why. Okay, we it's a whole thing that we gotta do. Yeah. Okay, we'll take care of it either tomorrow, depending on how long the PCG stuff will take, or come Monday. That's gonna be the plan. But thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed. Yeah, welcome Stormrun. I am wrapping up. Hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your night. I'll be back tomorrow at 6:30 Pacific as always, and hope to see you guys there. Take care, guys. Good night.